today we are at Campus Martius downtown. Every week they have a whole bunch of assortments of food trucks. So let's go see what they have today. So I got the Greek food. I got a gyro. Looks delicious. Come check them out. They've got different assortments every day here downtown at Campus Martius. I'm excited to try this. Thank you for joining me on another week with Janelle and the D. I'll see you guys next week.